Mom says these fruits make you a superhero, but I don't see any superpowers. I wonder, what are you hiding from me, my colorful friends? Hey there, hero. I'm the apple. You know what they say? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. I'm here to keep you strong and healthy. Look at your smile. My crunch cleans your teeth naturally and makes them shine like pearls. No cavities allowed when I'm around. And to be the smartest in class, I feed your brain with amazing vitamins. I help you remember everything. So, ready for a bite? I'm the orange, your personal bodyguard. I'm the shield that fights off germs and colds, keeping you strong and healthy every single day. Inside me, there's a treasure called vitamin C. It builds a powerful immune system so you can stay active and full of life all day long. Want your skin to be soft and your eyes to stay bright? Drink my juice or eat my slices. I'm the refreshing power you need. We are the grapes. We are small, but we are a mighty team. We help your tummy feel good and keep everything moving smoothly inside. Our tiny berries are like brain fuel. We help you focus on your homework and be the smartest kid in your class. One by one, we give you power. We are nature's candy. We are sweet, healthy, and fun to eat. Pick us up, pop us in, and let the energy begin. Hi, I'm the banana, your energy booster. If you want to run fast and play all day without getting tired, I'm your best friend. I have something called potassium. It's like a guard that protects your muscles and keeps you flexible, like a real gymnast. I also make you happy. I have a secret that puts a big smile on your face. Peel me quickly and let's start the fun. Yay! Big smiles for everyone! Wow! I never knew you guys were this cool. From now on, you're my favorite superhero team. Sorry, Candy, but I'm choosing my healthy friends today.